Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, it's a little late, but I just got it, so I'm sharing it with you. And today we will be unboxing our May mystery box from JUVIA'S Place. Okay, now they called it the Mother's Day mystery box, but that's been a couple weeks now. So for those of you who are not familiar with the JUVIA'S Place mystery box, it's usually once per month. There have been times when they have skipped a month, but where you can get up to 4 or 5 items. They're full-size items, and we get them at a discounted rate. Now, I'll put the value of this month's mystery box up on the screen, and the price of this month's is also on the screen. Now, I do use a coupon each and every time I order from them, and it's always a minimum of 20% off. So just so you know, I will tell you, I spent less than $20 to have these items shipped to me. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see exactly what was in the month of May's mystery box. Okay, this is the first time in a long time I've actually only ordered one, but nonetheless. So the first item that I have is the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner. Okay, and the shade that I have is Midnight Blue. Okay, so they are always gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, it says that this one is a smudge proof. It's 12-hour long wear, and it has intense color payoff. Okay, and love their packaging. And this is the outside packaging. Now the inside is just the regular pencil. You know, it does say JUVIA'S Place on it, but other than that, there's not much information here other than the expiration date and the shade. So let's just go ahead and swatch it. Now the good thing is they are retractable, so we're not looking for a sharpener. And this, oh God, that is so beautiful. Okay, and this is what the shade looks like. That is gorgeous. And I like the fact that it is such a fine line, but you can lean in sideways and make it a wider, more bold liner. Okay, so that is the first item. Now, the second item that we received is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, which I love. This one is in the shade Caramel. It is a 1.8 milliliter size or 0.06 ounces. Okay, this one, love, love, love. Okay, it has a 24-month shelf life, and it says it is nourishing. There's really nothing else that you really need to add, you know, other than that. Now, let's see. Of course, this is the outside packaging. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and when we open it, this is beautiful. This is caramel. Okay, and it's kind of almost blending into my skin. Oh, I love this shade. And it's really nice even to kind of wake up your matte lippy a little bit, and you still get that nourishing feeling through the lipstick. And this is JUVIA'S lipstick that I have on as well. Okay, so that is item number 2. Then the next one that we have, it's a part of the New Chocolates family, and this one is the Velvety Matte Lipstick, and it's in Muted. Okay, and this one is a 4-gram size, and it says It's hydrating matte formula infused with hyaluronic acid. It is oil-free, talc-free, mineral-free, and it is vegan friendly. And this one has an 18-month shelf life. This is what the outside looks like. This is what the shade is to look like. But let's just look at it in person, okay? Now, love their lipstick packaging. So this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this is what the shade, oh, this is such a beautiful nude. Look at that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and, beautiful. Look at that. Almost completely absorbed. Can you see it at all? All right, so that is what this lippy looks like. Love it. Love, love, love it. And the last item that we have is, as I stated, a palette. And this is the Bronze Rustic palette, okay? And this is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says this is a beautiful selection of bronzed, versatile, and rustic shades that can be worn any day, okay? Now, this one has a 24-month shelf life, and it is a 6-pan palette, okay? Now, of course, the inside packaging looks just like the outside. Let's just see what the shades look like. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, and here we go. All right. Now, do we want to swatch? Well, I will swatch. Oh, it's so nice and creamy. Unfortunately, these do not have a name on them, but we did go ahead and swatch the bottom 3. How about that? I love this little shimmer right here. That's beautiful. Okay, so what do you think? Okay, not bad, right? I didn't think so either. So this is our May mystery box, okay? And they called it the Mother's Day mystery box. Love it. Gorgeous as I expected. I didn't expect anything other than that. Beautiful shades. Beautiful. Eye, lip, and the eyes. Okay? So let me know your thoughts down below, what you like, what you didn't like, if you think they need to try harder. I'm feeling it, you know, the value on this, more than twice what I spent. So I believe I received a good value for my dollar. What do you think? Okay, so let me just tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our May mystery box from Juvia's Place. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.